Mason Barnett, TAC system again. A lot of people see many different shampoos and soaps on our website, and this just happens to be one of them, the Iron Zero Foam dual action soap. And they say, well, what would I use that for? Why wouldn't I just use Iron Zero or Mystic Bubble or Ultra Foam? Well, this car's been coated a couple times, and this soap is exactly what you would use this for. It would be for a biannual or annual maintenance wash to do the decon on it before you do your hand wash and do any toppers of Moonlight or Quartz Max, or if you did a 1 year coating, you'd be reapplying that as well. So that's exactly what this shampoo is for. It is Iron Zero with a little bit less concentration of it than if you were using it straight out of the bottle for straight up mechanical decontamination. So Iron Zero with like ultra foam in it. That's what this soap is for. So it is going to be about a 1 to 8, 1 to 7 ratio here. If you have a little bit heavier decontamination, you can actually take straight Iron Zero and dump it in here with the shampoo. That way you can wash and decontaminate chemically in one step. So let's do a quick shot of how well it foams up with the foam cannon.
Cut to a clip of using the cannon. Now remember, the foam intensity is going to depend on your dilution ratio and what type of foam cannon you have. This one does not have an adjustability knob on it, so we went ahead and decided to do a 8-to-1 ratio on this. 8 parts water, 1 part Iron Zero foam, and we're just going to get that foam everywhere that we can, and we're going to let it sit on there and start to help release the dirt and contamination that's sitting on the surface. We'll give it a good rinse, and then we will go to doing a hand wash. So we'll actually go back over it with another shot of foam of like Mystic Bubble, which is a maintenance soap for any of the coated vehicles. It can also be used on its own, but we want to make sure we get enough foam on there that it does not come off of the vehicle too soon before it starts to release everything from the paintwork, to make sure we do not put any swirls or anything like that in it when we put our wash mitts on it. So let's get back to it.
Sit there and kind of do its magic. Like I said, what this is going to do is it's going to help to chemically break down the contamination that's been built up on there from just driving, because that's what you should do with your vehicle. You should drive it. Just because it's coated doesn't mean don't drive it. So very simple to use. Iron Zero is safe on all painted surfaces, metal surfaces. All it's doing is breaking down the fallout. So really cost effective, does exactly what it's supposed to do. As you can see, it's just kind of working here and breaking down everything on the surface. You can kind of see on the windshield, in the side glass there, it's repelling because it's been coated. So it's not degrading the coating in any way. What this is doing is pulling all of the contamination back off of the coating so you can reinvigorate or reactivate that initial hydrophobic properties, to allow the coating to keep doing what it's supposed to, whether you need to top it up or not. So check it out on our website, TAC System USA, the Iron Zero Foam. Get it all done in one shot. Get your coating back to how it should be. Thanks for watching, guys.